I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious French toast using milk. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 4 slices of bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Make sure your bread is slightly stale for better absorption. Set up your shallow dish for dipping and have your whisk ready to combine the wet ingredients smoothly. This simple preparation ensures a great start to your breakfast. Now let's create the perfect batter. Crack 2 large eggs into your shallow dish and whisk them until they are light and frothy. Next, slowly pour in 1/2 cup of milk, continuing to whisk until everything is well combined. For that classic French toast taste, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a small pinch of cinnamon. This mixture forms the heart of your French toast, so ensure it's smooth and consistent. With your batter ready, it's time to dip and cook. Take each slice of bread and immerse it in the egg mixture for about 15 to 20 seconds per side. You want it fully saturated but not falling apart. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Place your dipped bread in the pan, cooking each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Repeat for all slices. Your delicious French toast is now ready to serve. Arrange your golden brown slices on a plate. You can garnish them with fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, or a dollop of whipped cream. For the ultimate treat, drizzle generously with warm maple syrup. It's the perfect way to start your day or enjoy a delightful brunch. Remember to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals to enhance your daily routine. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.